In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add DNS records on Cloudflare. Whether you're setting up a new website or tweaking your existing settings, managing DNS records is a crucial part of maintaining a stable and functional online presence. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. To begin, you'll need to sign in to your Cloudflare dashboard. This is your central control panel where you manage all your domain settings. Once you're logged in, select the specific domain you want to edit. If you have multiple domains, make sure to choose the correct one to avoid making changes to the wrong site. After selecting your domain, look towards the top of the interface and navigate to the DNS section and then to Records. This is where all the DNS magic happens. Here, you'll see a list of existing records which control different aspects of your domain's connectivity and functionality. When you're ready to add a new record, click on the Add Record button. This is your starting point to input the specific settings needed for your domain or subdomain. Now, let's configure the new record. First, choose the type of record you need to add. The common types include AAAA, CNAME, MX, TXT, and more. Each serves a unique purpose, such as connecting to different services or verifying domain ownership. Next, enter the name. This is the host portion of your domain, and it varies depending on your needs. Use the @ symbol for Apex or the root domain, or enter a subdomain like www or #dmark to specify precisely where you want the record to point. Now, you need to fill in the content field. This represents the destination for your record. It could be an IP address, a host name, or sometimes a TXT value. Make sure this is entered accurately to ensure your DNS settings work correctly. The TTL, or time to live, is the next option. This setting determines how long the record is cached by the DNS resolvers. For most cases, you can leave this as auto, which defaults to Cloudflare's optimal caching duration. Finally, you have the proxy status. This option is exclusive to APAA, and CNAME records. Here you decide whether to enable Cloudflare's proxy feature, signified by an orange cloud, or to set it as DNS only, indicated by a gray cloud. The proxy can offer benefits like enhanced security and performance, so consider your needs when making this choice. Once you have reviewed all the entered information and are confident everything is correct, click the Save button to create the record. If there are no errors, your new DNS record will be added successfully. There you have it, a straightforward way to add DNS records in Cloudflare. Remember, DNS changes may take a few minutes to propagate, so be patient. This skill is an essential part of managing your domains effectively. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.